Turning on Facebook Marketplace is quick and simple. Start by opening the Facebook app. You may see a small house icon at the bottom. Tap it to access Marketplace. Another way to find it is by tapping the menu button in the bottom right. If you don't see Marketplace right away, tap See More, and it should appear in the list. Simply tap on it to open. If Marketplace isn't showing up, there could be a few reasons. Facebook has certain requirements for using it. 1. Age requirement: you must be an adult according to your country's laws. For example, in the US, the minimum age is 18, while in Thailand, it's 20. 2. Availability in your country: Marketplace is only available in certain regions. You can check Facebook's list of supported countries to see if yours is included. 3. Account standing: your account must follow Facebook's terms of service. If you violated their rules, you may lose access. To check if you're eligible, go back to the Facebook app, tap Menu, bottom right, then scroll down to Help and Support Account Status. Look for your name, tap on it, then check if Marketplace is active. Additionally, Marketplace may not be available if your account is new or has been inactive for a long time. You're using a business account or a secondary account instead of your personal one. If you meet all the requirements and still don't see Marketplace, double-check that your date of birth is correct in your profile. If issues persist, you can always contact Facebook support for further assistance. And that's it. You're all set to use Facebook Marketplace. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.